To refine your search results, go to the filters below the search history. Select all filters. English language is automatically selected. Peer-reviewed will limit to articles from peer-reviewed journals. Use the checkbox to select it. Research article will limit the results to primary and secondary research. Select publication date to limit by date. Select from one of the options or choose Custom Range to select your own date range. We will select past 5 years and apply. This applies all the selected filters. If we scroll back up to our search history, we can see how the number of results has been changed by applying these limits. You may need to scroll to the right-hand side of the screen to see this number.